Hello guys, welcome back, and in this latest video I'm going to show you that how to delete your profile picture on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, open up your Facebook app and then come to your profile section and select your profile picture and tap at see profile picture. So here you can see the three dots on the top right corner. Just simply tap on that three dots and tap at delete photo in order to delete your profile picture, and tap delete to continue. So here you can see we had just deleted our profile picture. So you can also delete your profile cover in the same way. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. And I'll recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.